Hello guys, in this video I'd like to get back to our discussion of Theodore Mommsen and his masterpiece, The History of Rome. In the previous video I addressed kind of some things that I don't think he was entirely correct about, okay, and that is his view of kind of Roman, character. Okay, he does not get it right. He thinks they were just, good people just for the heck of it. They were just and noble, but that's not really the case because they were a civilization, just like Aztecs and just like the Japanese. Okay, and in this video, I'd like to continue this discussion by, discussing this other thing which Mommsen gets wrong about Romans, and that is their take on science and lack thereof. Okay, so um, you probably know that Romans did not have a single great philosopher, and they have not produced a single Roman, single great mathematician. Okay, so when it comes to philosophy and mathematics, I mean, Greeks were a miracle. I mean, they were just unbelievable. I mean, we have Euclid, Archimedes, Plato, Aristotle. All these names you have known since high school. But can you name a single Roman mathematician or a single Roman philosopher? Well, some of you might say, well, Cicero or Seneca, but they were not really philosophers. They were writers, philosophers, and that's the second point. I'd like to the second issue I would like to address in Mommsen's work, and that is his view on why Romans did not have science or philosophy. So he kind of says that it's because of this certain Roman lack of interest. Okay, it was just kind of an accident. Okay, their religion, their lifestyle just kind of made them not as interested in science as much as the Greeks did. But if their religion was more like the Greek religion, they would have had mathematicians and scientists. And that is very that is a mistaken view. Okay, because that's simply how civilizations are. Okay, it's not because they worshipped Jupiter in an impersonal way, and the Greeks worship their gods in a personal way. Because of this they kind of got a different mindset, and they did not have philosophy because of that. No, that's not the case. It is the case that in a civilization you no longer have the creative drive which you have in a culture. Okay, and Spengler is right about this and Mommsen is not. That is the fact that civilizations do not have this creativity anymore. Okay, and that's why Romans did not have philosophy and mathematics. Not because of their religion or because of just some accident, but because creativity was already exhausted by the Greeks. Okay, Greeks were the culture which was creative, scientific, philosophical, mathematical, and the Romans just simply were not like that. Like they had nothing to work with. The creativity was already exhausted, and Mommsen is not aware of this.